Good morning, grade 7. We're doing writing and solving one-step inequalities. These are the page numbers from your textbook, and we're really just essentially looking at the very simple one-step inequalities. What is an inequality, and how do we actually graph an inequality? These are the standards, and we'll be constructing simple inequalities, comparing it to equations, and then essentially graphing it. We won't be doing any word questions today. So, right, what is an inequality? It usually in terms replaces an equal sign. In our first example, x is greater than 5. In other words, it doesn't include 5, but it's a range of numbers, rational numbers, that are greater than 5. Spot that the circle is not filled in. That means that it doesn't include 5. There's no little equal sign at the bottom. See an equal sign and the fact that the circle is filled in. You'll also spot that the arrow points in the same direction. That is only relevant when the variable is on the left side. If it's on the right side, that rule does not apply. So, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. And we'll delve into it a little bit deeper. Okay, let's have a look. Alright, I'm going to take two simple equations and try and relate them, your prior knowledge, to inequalities. Let's have a little look at this one. If I ask you to solve this equation, you want to isolate x. So, what would you do? It's x plus 3. So you want to do the inverse of plus 3. Draw your river, do the inverse of plus 3, which in this case is subtract 3. Do that, what you do on one side of the river, you do on the other. And you end up with plus 3 minus 3 is 0. X equals 5 minus 3, which is 2. You could then graph it, put 0 here, 2 about here, and it would be a circle just so there. So let's apply that knowledge to inequalities. So let's just change the inequality. So it's the same question. X plus 3 is, let's say, less than 5. Spot that the only real difference is that I've now included an inequality instead of an equal sign. I draw my river, use a different colour pen. Draw my river, do exactly the same. Instead of plus 3, it'll obviously be subtract 3, and plus 3 minus 3, you end up with x. The inequality stays the same. 5 minus 3 is 2. So when I then graph it, I would put 0 here, 2 here. I then look at that 2, I circle the 2, I see that it's less than, I do not fill the circle in, and I draw the arrow in that direction. Okay, so let's try another example. 2x equals 8. What would you do? You probably know the answer is 4. I get that, but let's assume the question's a little bit more tricky than this one. But we're going to apply the same rules as your knowledge of equation. This is equation. Draw your river. Now, what does 2x mean? It means multiplied by 2. So we do the inverse of multiplied by 2, which is divide by 2, divide by 2, and x equals 4. As you probably in your head. Let's apply the same approach to inequalities. 2x is, what did we do last time? Let's do greater than or equal to 8. Okay, so step 1. Draw your river down the inequality. Do the inverse, divide by 2, divide by 2, and x is greater than or equal to 4. Let's graph it. 0 is here, 4 is here. Now we're saying it's circle the 4 is your first step. It's equal to, so you fill the circle in. It's greater than, so in other words, it'll go in that direction. So you can apply your knowledge of equations to inequalities. It's relatively the same thing, but with inequalities. So, but one rule changes. Let me explain. Look at this one. If you multiply or divide by a negative, this sign changes. So let's just do that very quickly. So, let's say it's negative 2x is greater than or equal to 8. Okay? So, draw your river, divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2, and x. Now, this is the bit that changes. You flip your sign because you're dividing by a negative. It also applies to multiply by a negative. Only those two. Multiply and divide by a negative, and the sign gets flipped. 8 divided by negative 2 is negative 4, and then you graph it. Make sense? Don't forget, when you're dividing and multiplying by a negative, have some concern about the sign that you apply to your answer. Okay, let's take some examples. Y minus 5 is greater than or equal to negative 7. This comes from your textbook. You can see it for yourself under your term. So, step 1. You want to isolate y. Draw your river. Do the inverse of minus 7, which is plus 5, and you end up with y is greater than or equal to minus 7 plus 5. So, you have to have a reasonably solid understanding of adding and subtracting with negatives. Make sure that you understand that. Use a number line if it helps. So minus 7 plus 5 is negative 2. So, when we graph, usually when you're graphing with quizzes and tests, the number line already exists with the numbers below. So, what do you do first? The first thing you do with your answer is you look at this number and you find it on your number line and you circle. Okay? Do you fill the circle in? There's a dash. The answer is yes. It means that it's greater than, so it means the arrow goes in that direction. In other words, this says that y is greater than or equal, including that number, than negative 2. Okay, next one. Oh, they put x on the right-hand side. Remember, your job is still to do the same process. Draw your river down the inequality. Isolate x. X plus 12, that is a positive 12, so you do the inverse. Minus 12, minus 12. So, what do we get? 12 minus 12 is 0, so we're left with x. Leave the x on the right side, I think it's easier, but that's up to you. Now, 21 minus 12 is 21 minus 10 is 11, 11 minus 2 is 9. So, now you always take it from the variable. X is less than 9. So what's the first step? Okay, you circle your number. Do you fill it in? No, you don't. There's no equal sign. It's less than. And your arrow goes in that direction. I hope that's helpful. So, I now want you to do some examples from the textbook. I'd like you to go to page 208 in the guided practice. And I want you to pause this video, complete the questions, and then the answers will come up in the next slide. So, please pause the video now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. Okay, if you have done what I've asked, welcome back. Let's see how you did. I apologize. These are the questions I'd like you to do. I'd like you to do these questions, please, on page 208. What did I say? Go to page 208. These are the questions from 5 to 8. Pause the video, do these 4 questions. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, pause. Okay, welcome back. Let's see how you did. Question 8 is probably maybe the trickiest one. Let's see how you did. And here are your answers, gentlemen. Right. I think most of this is reasonably obvious. I hope you did it correctly. Did you flip the sign with this negative? With this one here, let's have a little look at question 8. So b over 5 is greater than negative 1. What you needed to do was multiply both sides by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1b, minus 1 times 5 is negative 5. And then you should get your answer. You don't flip the sign because you didn't multiply by a negative. Well, I hope that was helpful. Sorry about the confusion with the page number, I didn't realise that. Please practice using Khan Academy and Curio, and I will see you for 7-2. Thank you.